Imagine walking into a courtroom. Your name is on the charge sheet, but the crime you didn't commit. Your innocence is tangled in a web of lies, fake witnesses, and legal delays that feel like a lifetime. You think justice will save you? But in India, justice often runs late or not at all. Now, what if artificial intelligence? Yes, the same tech that powers your phone's voice assistant could filter out false cases before they destroy innocent lives? Today, we ask, can AI save India's courts? India's justice system is creaking under the weight of over 5 crore pending cases. A significant portion of these are frivolous or false complaints, weaponized for revenge, harassment, or financial pressure. Take the landmark case of Lalita Kumari versus Government of Uttar Pradesh in 2013. The Supreme Court rightly ruled that police must register an FIR if a cognizable offence is reported, ensuring that real victims are not turned away. But here's the flip side. This mandatory registration has also led to an unintended explosion of false FIRs, especially in sensitive areas like matrimonial disputes, property conflicts, and social vendettas. While Lalita Kumari's judgment was a progressive step to protect victims, its unintended consequences was a rise in weaponized FIRs, false complaints filed not for justice but for revenge. This is where AI could step in, not to block justice, but to add a layer of intelligent security, identifying patterns of abuse while still allowing genuine victims a path forward. It's not just statistics, it's lives. A friend of mine, let's call him Raj, was accused of harassment under Section 498A IPC. He spent 3 years proving his innocence. His career was stalled, his mental health deteriorated, his crime, a failed marriage. Let's shift the lens. What if we had a system that could instantly identify patterns in complaints, cross check statements, and flag inconsistencies? Enter AI. AI tools like natural language processing or NLP can analyze the language of complaints to detect emotional manipulation or repetition found in templated FIRs. Tools like machine learning classifiers can compare complaint patterns to past cases that were later proven false. In fact, Delhi High Court in Jogidhar Kumar versus State in 1994 raised concerns about unnecessary arrest without proper investigation. AI could help enforce that balance by providing a risk-based scoring system, flagging high-risk complaints for deeper human investigation. AI won't replace judges, but it can empower them with real-time case history analysis, access to digital evidence, even predictive modeling to suggest alternative dispute resolutions. What are the ethical and legal boundaries? Of course, AI isn't a magic wand. There are dangers, algorithmic bias, privacy invasion, and over reliance on automation. But the greater danger is doing nothing. As per the Personal Data Protection Act of 2023, any AI used must preserve user privacy and remain accountable. The idea isn't to create a robotic courtroom, but a smarter, faster, and fairer one. We are not far from this reality. Courts in countries like Estonia are already testing AI judges for minor claims. Even in India, the Supreme Court SUVAS, Supreme Court Vadik Anuvad software project is using AI to translate judgments into multiple languages. A small step, but imagine the possibilities. Here's how AI can protect you right now. First, legal AI chatbots like Jugalbandi, developed under Bhashini, can help rural citizens understand legal rights in regional languages. 2. Use case laws analytics tools like SEC Online and Manupatra's AI search to cross-check precedents if you're involved in litigation. 3. Document authenticity. Tools can verify digital signatures, timestamps, and metadata, helpful in fraud or property disputes. 4. Use AI powered RTI, drafting assistance to seek justice from public authorities more efficiently. For lawyers and citizens alike, learning basic AI tools isn't a luxury, it's becoming a legal survival skill. Here's the truth: India doesn't need faster courts, we need fairer systems. In a nation where justice is often delayed and sometimes denied, AI is not the enemy. It may be the ally we have been waiting for. But no technology works without human will. Think of AI as a mirror. It reflects the data we feed it, the values we train it on. If we teach it fairness, context, and compassion, it will return it tenfold. So the question isn't, can AI fix the courts? The real question is, are we ready to make the courts worth fixing? If you ever felt the weight of injustice or seen someone trapped by a broken system, this is the moment to share. Spread this video. Let people know that change is possible and maybe even closer than we think. Comment below with your thoughts. Should AI be allowed in Indian courtrooms? Have you or someone you know faced a false case? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Because in a world where truth is often buried, you deserve a channel that digs it out. Take care. Bye.